back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sarim. In this video, I will tell you how to find the directions. Using sun method, you should stand facing the rising sun. The sun rises in the east. The north is on your left. The south is on your right. The sun sets in the west. The east and the west, the north and the south are the four main directions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like on my video. Bye bye.